couple of items of business to take care of before the program. And the mayor from the library will come down and make a presentation of her. Here's a check from the Fort Worth Genealogical Society, Fort Worth Genealogical section of the library. It shouldn't use it, whatever.
Thank you very much.
That's the best thing to do.
The Fort Worth Public Library Genealogy, Local History and Archives section is very grateful to the Fort Worth Genealogical Society for our partnership that has gone on for many years. And it's through partnerships like this that we are able to help people with their research. And I would like to mention to you that if there are titles that you're looking for when you come and use the library or access our collections online that you're not finding, please do let one of the librarians know that you're looking for something that we don't have, and it's very possible that we can obtain that for you, and donations like this one help us be able to carry out that mission. Thank you so much.
Consult the officers next.
Okay.
Okay, with the officers for next year to come down
This one.
up here in front. Names are.
We got to go to the other side.
Suzanne, could you cut the light and the projector real quick?
Our sister didn't. She's a graduate of Ohio State. I can do that. Scoot down. Be in front of us. We have the house lights.
Yeah, house lights.
Wow, we got the crowd.
Scoot on down now.
Come on.
What, you want to pack this in, so you've got a short field of view
Come on,
there
that's right.
on that?
I don't have a wide angle lens this time. No. Come back out here.
Rob, she's going to call her name, so we'll just.
Okay. Fort Worth Genealogical Society calls for new officers to lead our society. Will those who have answered the call please assemble on the stage in order? And as I call your name and office, will you come forward to accept your duties of office? Director at Large, Janice Blakely. Director at Large, Ed McCoy.
All right.
Don't spill.
Director at Large, Roy Combrink. Historian Archivist, Phil Morris. Footprints Editor and Membership Director, Rob Yoder. Programs and Newsletter Editor, Debbie Pearson. Secretary, Sharon Ward. Treasurer, Crystal Barth. President, Carlene Johnson. And Vice President is Virginia Brown, who is not with us this evening. Now, if you will all raise your right hands, do each of you promise to do your utmost to complete your duties, attend all meetings, protect the society, and support your president and fellow members? If this is so, will you respond, I will?
I will.
Congratulations. Fort Worth Genealogical Society, greet your new board of directors.
Thank you for coming.
We start back at the bottom and coming back up again.
Just rotate them.
But look at the scrapbooks. Program to get started.
Yes, sure.
And there were a couple of announcements. Last month I told you that Dr. Haber that was going to do the Billy Sills archives was sick.
I think what they did was they moved the December speaker up to November, and hopefully Dr. Haber will be well enough to do the December at Billy Schultz. This weekend, in this room, Renee Gomez from downstairs from the library department is going to do a talk on how bridges changed the history, or played a part in the history of Fort Worth. And I think that sounds very interesting. That's Saturday, December 1st in this room. And as far as I know, the NARA, the archives doesn't have anything scheduled for December, and I haven't seen anything on the new year. We also, our next meeting, which is, I think, the 28th of January, look on your calendar, the last Tuesday. We're looking at taking a field trip downstairs to the genealogy department and let them teach us how to use the flip paddles. And if you want to bring a scrapbook back, then maybe we can, and if you, what kind of a memory drive goes in this? One of those little photographic ones?
I don't know off the top of my head.
I believe it'll take a flash drive, won't it?
Well, yeah.
Don't take a really.
It'll take a flash drive, I believe.
I think
Okay.
so.
You might bring a flash drive. If not, then we could at least get it onto your computer down there, and then you could save it to your own flash drive.
It'll probably take both.
Yeah, bring your own flash drive. And if you want to try it, I don't know if we'll have enough time, but we'll see. But the whole entire time would be down in the department, and we'd let their staff teach us about the big scanner that you can lay a scrapbook down.
Yeah.
The what do they call that? The Indus.
The Indus scanner, you could do a whole scrapbook
Yeah.
at a time.
And it will take a flash drive too, or you could
Yeah,
email it.
and it'll cradle the book.
That's what they intended to do. So anyway, we're going to kind of continue the scrapbook.
I can't get
It'll
used to
also
these
be a
now.
chance to ask any questions you have about the department, or learn how to use any of the equipment down in the department too.
And the meeting is actually on the 29th.
29.
29th.
All right, 29.
Well, we walked in and.
And don't forget, if you have a friend that wants to start genealogy, we're going to start up the new year of beginners and computer users, which will be the Saturday before the 29th.
26th.
26th. And that'll be in this building, Saturday the 26th.
Have we got the dates set for those meetings yet?
Yes, I've got them, they'll be in the next newsletter.
Okay. Can you send me the dates? I want to update the curriculum. And is there anything I need to change on the curriculum, Carleen?
Debbie.
Not on hers, but I do.
Yeah.
I have an additional right.
Well, all I've got is hers. You'll have to modify hers or something and let me have it. I don't have a curriculum for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I've never written one up. I mean, we just kind of follow
Yeah.
that, but I am going to change a little bit this year. But the first one is the main one that'll be changed.
Okay.
I think Suzanne wants to.
Yes, and then Linda asked me to thank you all again for the very kind donation. So she wanted me to make sure to thank you guys. It was free love today, so we really appreciate it.
And thank you to Ed and Sherry for bringing the refreshments tonight. Thanks again to Andy, Sharon, and Carleen for playing part. And you. Thank you. Thank you for the library for furnishing the tables for us. In January.
So you're going to be at Florida?
Yeah, that's what I'm just trying to figure that. So 1 year, so contract, and then, so that's it. How do they ever come home?
Yeah, there's some non-provided transportation for their,
Pose.
Oh, yeah, right. You know what that. Well,